ride to the shop. That's pretty bad. I own 3 cars. Oh, hello. There she goes. So it's kind of a problem when you have to get driven to your own garage when you own 3 cars. With that being said, I need to do all the maintenance that I've been holding out on before I have fun with a lot of stuff. Obviously you're still gonna have fun, but like example, this is okay, but this needs a clutch because this clutch could just, or this throwout bearing in this thing is screaming and it could just blow up and destroy my transmission any minute. This needs to be fixed. And I don't want to drive it, that's a personal choice. This has, oh goodness. These tires are so old, you can't even see the manufacturing date. 5109. So these were manufactured in 2009. The temperatures are dropping to -15 this week, so not a good idea. It was also supposed to snow last night, and that's why I didn't drive this. I just don't want to get the cab all messed up. And the off-road Mazda 3 is, well, leaky caliper and the front ball joints are just destroyed. That's getting fixed pretty quick here, so. So today, what we're gonna do is no maintenance, but we're gonna have some fun. Today we're gonna do a quick little budget engine bay mod in the Mazda 3. Something quick and easy for you guys to do, budget friendly, and it actually makes it look half decent. Just adds a little bit of spice. Pop that boy. Oh, I love this interior, man. Since these carpets are in here, so nice. This engine bay is a rat's nest, and I'm kind of sad to this point that I've let it come to this. The battery cover's missing because, well, this battery's cooked. I need to get OEM one of these because this just, like, this engine bay is just like, I have not touched this, and it's kind of sad. Today we're going to be playing around with these. Now, I did these, I think in 2020, and what was funny when I did the video was there was a couple of them. Obviously I had red ones, I did have red ones before. And so when I did the gold ones, there were 3 red ones left. And what happened, I destroyed the heads of these because I'd take the ratchet and just go, and they got a little rusty on the threads. They want to pop, so I like stripped out the heads. This is where I'm going to tell you guys something. Get yourselves an impact gun. Just this thing, like I was close to buying like a tool set to drill out those bolts until I took the impact gun to it, and it just took care of it. We got new ones. Let's get started. So I went with these black washer style ones. These are just basic gold. I'm trying to remember why. I think I was gonna do like a chrome wheel and like gold calipers. So I think that's where I got that from. And well, obviously that just doesn't exist anymore, and it just kind of looks silly, and I'm surprised I really haven't changed these out yet. So without further ado, all you're gonna need for this is obviously like your bolts are gonna be in here before. These obviously so you're probably gonna need some probably like these, that size, like some 10 mils maybe, and some Allen key heads. Boom, good to go. Let's get started. In case you're running on Allen size, these normally run H4 head, and I'm hoping that none of these are rusty. So I believe I got these babies off Amazon. Password JDM doesn't make these anymore, and that's where people normally got them. You can get Password JDM branded ones. These just have some writing on them, and I think having the right white writing on them looks cool, so this is what I went for. Like I said, the other ones were plain, right? So very sleek packaging. This is a 20 pack, and I believe I got this for about 15 bucks. Very nice hardware it comes with, and these are very nice too. They say XYC Sports on them. So that being said, go ahead and put them into the one side, and then we'll do the other side. All right, so this side has all been done. I really like the look of these ones quite well. So if you take a look at side comparison, obviously you can notice these ones a bit more than those ones, but those ones definitely look a lot cleaner than the gold ones do. These are just, I don't know why I did these, to be honest. Here we have all the hardware installed. does look excellent. With that being said, let's showcase this. Skip to the B-roll. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. And that, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.